Welcome to the Gyan Niketan Girls School. Myself Tanu Srivastava presenting the topic Python. Computer works with the help of program, the set of instructions given to the computer that is called the program. With the help of program, a computer does some work. Now we know about the software. Software is the set of programs that helps the computer to work. It instructs the computer how to do and what to do. Now Python is the software. We will know about the Python. Python is a high level programming language. High level programming language, that means it uses the English word and the number to write the code. And then it uses a translator program to convert everything in form of 0 and 1. Because we know that computer understands only 0 and 1. Object oriented programming language. Object oriented programming language, that means it focuses on what to do instead of how to do. It doesn't focus on the procedure. It focuses on the motto. Case sensitive language. Case sensitive language, that means capital letter and the small letter will have separate meaning, different meaning. If we are using capital A and the small a, it will be considered as the different variable. Platform independent language. Platform independent language, that means it is designed on one computer, can be executed on any another computer with the different hardware and the software configuration. All these features make a Python language popular. Now the applications of Python. Perform computer vision. Perform computer vision, it means we know a device can detect the color, detect the face. That is done with the help of this software. Enable robotics. Perform scripting. Build artificial intelligence. Using this, a device can able to think and do the work own self. Automate a web browser. You know, YouTube, Google, Instagram, these all popular applications are using the Python language. Now we will know different modes of the Python. There are two working mode of the Python, interactive mode and the script mode. In the interactive mode of Python, the interpreter executes the statement line by line. When the first statement is executed, it moves to the next statement and it gives the output in the immediate next line. We have to type all the instruction in front of Python command prompt. You can see the 3 greater sign. This is the interactive mode and you can see the 3 greater sign here. This is called Python prompt. Look it. Now the script mode. Script mode enables us to create and edit Python source file in the normal mode where the scripted and finished file are run in Python. It is used for the long program where we have to write the program and store for the longer period. You can see this is the script mode. There are two methods to declare the variable. You can see it is the we can use the variable without declaration, and in this we have to declare the type of value. This is used to input the value during the runtime. Now the important points related to the Python you have to keep remember. Python language is developed by Guido van Rossum. Extension of Python file is .py. Python provides IDLE environment. IDLE stands for Integrated Development and Learning Environment. It works when we write simple arithmetic expression in the interactive mode, then it just works as a calculator. That is the IDLE environment. Now the basic functions of the Python. It works in the interactive mode as well as in the script mode. Print function. Print function is used to print the output and message on the output screen, and it always print the output in the interactive mode. However, you are working in the interactive mode or the scrape mode, it display output in the interactive mode only. There are different separators of the print function, comma. It provides simple space between the words. /n. /n stands for the next line. You can see the output, and when you are writing the separator, it also should be within the single quotes. /n display the value in the next line, and /t provide the tab space between the words. Input function. Input function accept the value during the execution of a program, that means during the run time. You can see the example, the way to use the input function.